Have you ever marveled at the flawless, radiant complexion of Korean glass skin but always wondered how to achieve it? Then you've clicked the right video. Welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe it if you haven't yet. This video will cover how to find your skin type, 10-step Korean glass skin routine for oily skin, diet and exercise, skincare tips, products recommendation. But before starting the video, if you don't know what exactly glass skin means, then it means skin that looks crystal clear, poreless, and flawless, but it doesn't necessarily mean white skin. It could also be brown and dark. Now, without wasting time, let's dive in. How to find your skin type. Before embarking on the journey to achieve Korean glass skin, it's crucial to identify your skin type. Here's a simple guide to help you identify your skin type. Start with a clean face, removing all makeup and skincare products. Let your skin air dry without applying any moisturizer. And now observe your skin's behavior. If your skin feels tight, rough, or flaky, especially after cleansing, you likely have dry skin. Dry skin may appear dull and may have fine lines or red patches. If your skin looks shiny, especially around the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, you probably have oily skin. Oily skin is prone to enlarged pores and is more susceptible to acne and blackheads. If you notice that some areas, like your forehead and nose, are oily, while others, like your cheeks, feel dry, you may have combination. Combination skin can exhibit characteristics of both oily and dry skin. If your skin tends to react to new products with redness, itching, or burning, you may have sensitive skin. Sensitive skin can be dry, oily, or combination, so it's more about how your skin reacts to products. If your skin feels well-balanced, not too oily or too dry, and you rarely experience breakouts or sensitivity, you likely have normal skin. Now, if you have oily skin, then keep watching, but if you have any other skin type, then let us know in the comments and we'll make a video for you. 10-step Korean glass skin routine for oily skin. Remember to be gentle when applying skincare products. Use a light touch, as rubbing or pulling on your skin can cause irritation. Step 1. Cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup and impurities, followed by a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining residue without stripping your skin's natural oils. Remember, double cleansing is helpful for those who wear makeup, especially waterproof makeup or sunscreen. But if you go makeup-free, it might not be for you. Step 2. Exfoliation. There are 2 types of exfoliants. 1. Chemical exfoliants. Chemical exfoliants use acids to dissolve dead skin cells and unclog pores. 2. Mechanical, physical exfoliants. Physical exfoliants contain small particles that physically scrub away dead skin cells and impurities. Choose a gentle exfoliator containing ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid to unclog pores and control oil production, promoting a smoother complexion and more even skin tone. And only exfoliate 2-3 times per week. More than that can be harmful for your skin. Step 3. Toning. Use a gentle, hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid to maintain hydration without exacerbating oiliness. Step 4. Essence. Essences are lightweight, hydrating formulas that prepare your skin for subsequent products. Choose one with ingredients like green tea or snail mucin to nourish without overwhelming oily skin. Step 5. Serums. Opt for oil-free serums with ingredients like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid to target specific concerns, such as excess oil or enlarged pores. Step 6. Sheet masks. Incorporate sheet masks rich in hydrating and calming ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile to soothe and replenish your skin. Step 7. Eye cream. Choose a lightweight eye cream to address concerns like puffiness or dark circles without contributing to oiliness. Step 8. Moisturizer. Look for oil-free, gel-based moisturizers to maintain hydration without clogging pores. Ingredients like glycerin and hyaluronic acid work well for oily skin. Step 9. Sunscreen. Sun protection is non-negotiable. Use a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 to shield your skin from harmful UV rays even on cloudy days. Gel-based sunscreens are ideal for oily skin. Step 10. Overnight treatment. Incorporate a targeted treatment, such as a sleeping mask or light retinol product, to address specific skin concerns while you sleep. Remember, always avoid harsh products like those with alcohol or strong fragrances, as they can strip your skin's oils and cause irritation. Diet and exercise. Achieving glass skin isn't just about what you put on your skin. It's also about what you put into your body. A diet rich in antioxidants and vitamins supports skin health. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and omega-3 fatty acids contribute to a radiant complexion. Stay hydrated to help regulate oil production. If you don't like drinking plain water, try adding lemon, herbs, or cucumber for flavor. Limit sugar and processed foods. Excess sugar and processed foods can lead to skin issues like acne and premature aging. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, promoting a healthy complexion. Sweat helps unclog pores, but if you have makeup on while exercising, then it can clog your pores and prevent your skin from breathing. So it's essential to cleanse your face before exercise to allow your skin to sweat and detoxify properly, and afterward to prevent breakouts. Skincare tips. Don't share makeup or skincare products with others. Sharing products can transfer bacteria and lead to breakouts. Throw away old makeup that smells or looks different from when you first bought it. Keep your makeup brushes clean to prevent bacteria buildup and potential skin issues. Avoid using soap, unless it is specifically for washing face, as it can irritate the pores on your face and trigger acne and pimples. Avoid touching your face excessively, as it can transfer bacteria and oil, leading to breakouts. Be cautious with skincare trends. Prioritize your skin's needs over following every trend. Patch test new products. Apply a small amount of the product to a small area of your skin and wait for 24 hours to check for any irritation. Don't use expired products. Using expired products can be harmful for your skin, so always check the expiration dates on your products and replace them accordingly. Be patient with products. Results take time, so stick to your routine and give products at least 28-40 days to show results. For radiant skin, aim for at least 7 hours of sleep, ideally before 11 p.m. Remember to remove your makeup before going to bed. Consider using a mulberry silk pillow to reduce friction and retain moisture. Change your pillowcase every week to prevent breakouts. Sleep on your back to avoid uneven face shape, fine lines, and sagging. Products recommendation. The products mentioned in this video are just a suggestion. Remember, they may not suit your skin or might have different effect. It's important to introduce new products gradually, one by one, and observe how your skin responds. Remember, it's not necessary to buy just Korean products to get glass skin. Take this video as a guide to help you find skincare products suitable for your skin. Just keep in mind the ingredients that we've mentioned in this video and check them on the products before buying. And that's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you made it till the end, include this emoji in your comment and let us know which part of this video was your favorite. See you in the next video.